Hi everyone, welcome to Tango Alpha. I'm going to give you a quick explanation of how to show somebody that someone that doesn't understand Bitcoin, how it basically works and exactly how you can prove that it's going to be real, right? So welcome. First thing you want to do is take them to the Bitcoin Treasuries website, right? First thing that you can explain here is public companies that own Bitcoin. You can see MicroStrategy, all this money, they own all of this. And we know, basically, the moral of the story here is that we know none of these companies are going to be basically selling. We got so much money, just hold. This means we got companies involved here, right? Further, keeps on going. Countries. We have the USA that has 207 Bitcoin. China, 194,000 Bitcoin. We have all these companies that basically prove that they own Bitcoin. I'm going to zoom in here. Private companies, a whole bunch, they own as much as companies, trillions and trillions. We see all this, basically what this is known is as institutional money, companies and not people. Institutions, ETFs. ETF means exchange traded fund, which basically means that it's a basket of goods that people can buy into. So now Bitcoin is seen as a small asset that majority people that have in their retirement will be putting money into Bitcoin. So as soon as it's ETFs, that's basically exactly what you want. A whole bunch of different banks, different countries all over the world. So that's the first thing to prove there. Next, what you can do is you literally need to take them to a website called CoinMarketCap. This is very important. So how you work it out is that you look at the circulating supply right here. Okay, and as we can see, it's 19,000 Bitcoin. So at the Bitcoin, is going to only get to 21 million. As you can see, it currently is at about 93%. It's 21 million max supply. So what you do is you say, okay, what is the market cap? So this is like supply and demand in economics. Market cap over here is the amount of money inside, and you have your supply. Demand, market cap, supply is circulating supply. So now what this means is that if you take 19.7 million and divide it by 1.3 trillion, that is going to be exactly the price, $69,000. Okay, that is the current Bitcoin price. So now, in essence, what we want to do is compare this to gold. Bitcoin is compared to gold. So you go to a website called 8 market cap, and these are the assets, the most money anywhere together, right? So as you can see, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia is even here. But one thing we're focusing on is gold. There's $15.7 trillion in gold. And what's important about this is now, how do we work out if Bitcoin is going to be known as a store of value, then we should compare it to gold. It's a digital gold, right? So now how do we work this out? What you do is you take the market cap as if it was, now imagine this number was 15.79 trillion. Here we go, this is the answer. 15.79 trillion divided by the current supply, which is 19.7 million, equals 800,000. Hold on, there's an extra zero. But so basically we are looking at the markets going of Bitcoin to head towards ridiculous numbers. I'm talking about we're going to the moon, looking at percentages of upwards of 500% more. That is if Bitcoin, basically, if we have to go to 800,000, if Bitcoin over here has to go to this level up here, basically we'll be going up 1,000%. And that is if you have to insert all the money in the world of gold into Bitcoin. So I hope that makes a lot of sense and you can convince someone very quickly.